Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll continue the application of decimal in currency, measuring length and measuring weight, that is mass. In previous video I had done conversion of rupees into paise, paise into rupees, meter into centimeter, centimeter into meter. Similarly, kilogram into gram, gram into kilogram. Now I'll be doing addition and subtraction as well as simplification of application of decimal in different concept, that is currency, measurement of length and measurement of mass or weight. Let's consider some examples to understand the application of decimal. It is exercise 15T, question number 7. It says that add giving answer in rupees. I'll give my own sums, then you can try from the book. First one, add, it says add rupees 3.59 and rupees 10. So before you proceed with addition, you need to look at the unit. Both are given in rupees, so we can add them up. If they are not given in rupees, if one is in rupees, second one is in paise, paise has to be converted into rupees first, then it should be added. Both are in rupees, so we write 3.59. Similar addition of decimals, it is a whole number, so we write 10. Put decimal, then 2 zeros. When you add whole number with decimal, whole number is always written on the left hand side. Then you put decimal, look at the decimal places and then put zeros accordingly. If it has 2 decimal places, so 2 zeros. If it has 3 decimal places, then you have to put 3 zeros. Now add it up. It is 9, 5, 3, 1. Answer you write in rupees. This is addition of similar units. You may be getting questions like this. Add rupees 9.80 and 565 paise. You cannot proceed with addition because you have 2 different units. So what you need to do, you have to convert this paise into rupees first. Rupees 9.80 you write. Then this conversion and write rupees 565 divided by 100. When paise is divided by 100, it gets converted to rupees. Now you put decimal 5, 6, 5, 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros, you put decimal. Now whole paise has converted into rupees. Now you can add it up. 9.80. This decimal has to be kept. First you put decimal, then look at the number before decimal, 5, so you write 5. Then numbers after decimal, 6, 5. Decimal has to be in same straight line, and decimal number before decimal you write on the left hand side, number after decimal you write on the right hand side. Add it up. 5, 8 plus 6 is 14, 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Then you have to write down the unit as rupees. You have to write rupees because we are converting paise into rupees and adding up. That is the instruction given in the question. Add, giving answer in rupees. Let's take third example. 65 paise and rupees 2.12. You need to add them up. Or you can do one thing, this paise you convert at the site, rough calculation, rough work. 65 paise, you have to convert into rupees, so you divide by 100, which is equal to rupees 65, 2 zeros, 1, 2, decimal place is 0. 65 has been converted to rupees. Now you write 0.65. Second decimal, you write number before decimal is 2, number after decimal is 1, 2. Add it up. 7, 0 plus 2 is 2. Then write down the unit. This is addition of paise into with rupees. You have to convert this, then add it up. Or you could do like this. If you get mixed up, then you can always do this way. 65 paise plus rupees 2.12. You cannot add it up. So what do? We change this rupees 65 divides by 100 plus rupees 2.12. Then you change it 0.65 plus 2.12. Then you write at the side these numbers added up. 0.65, 2.12, add 772. So you can write answer here as rupees 2.77. You can proceed this way, or you can do calculation at the side and add it up. Similarly, you have subtraction. Okay, addition and give you answer in rupees. That is question number 7. You can try a few sums. 1, 2, 3. Do these sums. And one more thing, to learn maths, you have to do maths. You have to practice. Otherwise, it will be difficult. So, let's do subtraction. Subtraction, that is number 8. Question says that subtract rupees 13.65 from 52.32. So what do? This value need to be subtracted from here. So this one has to be written at the top. Rupees 52.32. Again you write rupees, put decimal. Then follow the order. You have 3. So write 3 first. Then you write 1. Then you proceed on the side 62. Subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. You cannot subtract 6 from 3, so you borrow from here. You get 13 minus 6 is 7. You cannot subtract 3 from 1, so you borrow, it becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 4 is left, 4 minus 1 is 3. This is the subtracted value. Similarly, you may get paise and subtract from rupees. Subtract 632 paise from 9 rupees 9.32. Look at this subtraction. You cannot subtract paise from rupee directly. So what you have to do, change this paise into rupees first. 632 divides by 100 from copied 9.32. Then again you change this rupees 6.32. You know how to divide a number with 10, 100, 1000. You don't have to divide at the side. Count the number of zeros, put decimal from 9.32. Now you can subtract because both has been given in rupees. From, so you write first, then you write 6.32, subtract 0, 0, decimal 3, you get rupees 3. There are 3 sums. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more example. Subtract rupees 2.82 from 981 paise. Look at this one again. Similar. It is in rupees, second one is paise. You cannot subtract because units are different. Subtraction, addition has to be done when we have same units. So first one you write as it is. Rupees 2.82 from. Convert this one into rupees. 981 divides by 100. Unit you write rupees. Rupees 2.82 from. Put the decimal 9.81. Both has changed into rupee. Now you convert and then subtract. First one you write rupees 9.81. Second one you write rupees 2.82. Proceed with subtraction. You cannot subtract 2 from 1, so you borrow. It becomes 11 minus 2 is 9. You cannot subtract 8 from 7, so you borrow. It becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 is there, means we have borrowed. It becomes 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. This is the answer for subtraction. You have similar question in the book. That is question number 8. There are only 3 sums. 3 sums, so please do it. Let's do this. Similar you have, similar question that is based on measurement of length. Add giving answer in meter. That is question number 9. Add giving in meters. So you have add 2.9 meter and 15.3 meter. Both has to be added. What you need to do, you have to check it with unit first. Meter. Meter means you can add it up. Both are in the same unit. 2.9 meter. Put decimal first. Then follow the order 5, 1, 3. Again meter. It says add it up, so you proceed with addition. 9 plus 3 is 12. 8, 18 meter. Simple, similar to the previous one. You may get a question like this: add 15.2 meter and 321 centimeter. Look at this. You cannot add meter with centimeter. So what you have to do? This you have to convert into meter. 15.2 meter and 321. And how do we convert centimeter into meter? We divide it by 100. Unit changes to meter. 15.2 meter and convert into decimal. 321, 2 zeros, put decimal meter. Both has converted to same unit. Now add it up. 15.2 meter, 3.2 meter, which is equal to 4.81 meter. Much easier. You have to have in the same unit to add it up. Otherwise you cannot. Suppose you may get a question like this: add 952 centimeter and 521 centimeter. Both are in centimeter, so you don't have to worry about the changing of units. You can write 952 centimeter, 521 centimeter, then you can add it up. 3714 centimeter. First. So please do look at the unit and proceed with addition or subtraction. Similarly, you have subtraction. You can go through subtraction. Look at the unit. If they are not in the same unit, change smaller one into bigger one and then subtract. Similarly, you have add giving answer in kg. I'll give you one example of kg. Add 1 to 9.32 kg and 1.325 kg. Look at this. Units are similar. No need to convert it. 1 to 9.32. Put decimal. Look at the number before decimal. You have 1. So write 1. Number after decimal. 3 to 5. 2 places decimal. 3 places decimal. Make it 3 places decimal by putting 0. That is called like decimal fractions. 5, 4, 6, 10, 3, 1 kg. Similarly, you may get questions like this: 9.32, 1 kg and 6,532 grams. Look at this one. One is given in kg, another one is in gram. Cannot add it up. So what do? We write 9,321 kg as we have 6,532 divides by 1000. When you convert gram into kg, you have to divide by 1000. Unit changes to kg. 9.321 kg and 6,532. Count number of zeros: 1, 2, 3 places decimal. Same unit. Add it up. 9.321, 6.532. Simple addition. 3, 5, 8, 15 kg. So please do remember one thing, addition of meter, centimeter, rupee, paise, kg, grams, unit must be similar. You can do similar something like this. There is another way to do this addition. We have been changing small into big. We can change big into small. 9.321. I'll change into grams, so I'll write 1000 and 6532 gram. You can remove decimal from your 1, 1, 2, 3 zeros, you put, cancel it. So you get 9321 gram and 6532 gram. Same unit, you can add it up. 9321 6532, you get 35850 grams. You can convert into kg. 5815853 divides by 1000. Unit changes to kg. 15853, 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros, put decimal, get the answer. This is another way to do. Choose easy way. I think previous one was easy. Try few sums. And as I told you earlier, to learn maths, you have to do maths. That is the simple logic behind learning maths. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.